I don't know about you, but more than a few times I've needed to figure out somebody's age based on their date of birth. And I'll usually get out my calculator or do some rough numbers in my head to get to that number. But you'll be happy to know there's a super simple way to do that in Excel as well that's repeatable, and it'll stay up to date. Hi friends, and thanks for tuning in to Tiny Technical Tutorials, where we do bite-sized lessons for today's tech. We're going to jump right in here to Excel. I've started a spreadsheet for us. You'll see we have two columns here, date of birth and age. And you need to make sure these are formatted correctly. So date of birth should be formatted as dates. If you don't know how to do that, just select the cells, right-click, and say Format Cells. And on the Number tab, just make sure that date is selected like it is here. And then for age, these should be formatted as numbers. So again, right-clicking, Format Cells, and make sure they're a number. You don't need the decimal place here, so you can leave that at 0. And then we need to calculate the age over here based on the date of birth. The function we'll be using to do that is called DATEDIF, D-I-F. The DATEDIF function calculates the difference between two dates, and to do that you need three parameters. First is the start date. This is going to be the date of birth in our spreadsheet. The second parameter, the end date, for what we're doing is going to be today. And Excel actually has a function to figure that out. It's just today with the open and close parentheses. By using that function, we'll know the ages are always up to date because it's always going to evaluate that to be today's date. And then the third parameter is unit. We're going to be using Y for years because we want somebody's age in years. Now let's input that formula. Here in row 2 for age, I'm going to say equals. And then we want that function name, DATEDIF, open parentheses. The first parameter, remember, is the start date. In this case, that's going to be our date of birth over here in A2, so I'll select that. Comma. Second parameter is the end date, and remember that's today with the open and close parentheses. So Excel will always grab today's date, whatever that date is, comma, and then Y for years. Make sure you close that off with a closing parenthesis and hit enter. And there we go. Somebody born on May 4th, 1970 would be 51 years old today. To fill in the other ages, you can either select and copy this with Control-C and then paste Control-V. That'll carry down the formula. Or you could also grab the handle here on the very bottom right of this cell and just drag that down, and that'll fill in the formulas as well. So that's a wrap. That's how to easily calculate somebody's age in Excel starting from the date of birth. If you found this content valuable, we always appreciate the likes, subscribes, and shares.